Hi, fifth grade. I got a lot of feedback from you guys who filled out the survey saying that you needed help with long division. So I'm going to spend today doing long division. So I hope that watching this video with me actually talking the way I've taught you how to do it will help. First, I was going to go through the steps. So our first step when we divide is to first divide. Let me make this bigger. So after we divide, let's see if I can do this without messing anything up. We're going to divide, I'm going to use pink. How many clothes can 9 get to 7? Well, if I count by 9s, 9, 18, 27, that's too big. So I'm going to put a 0 up here. And then our second step is then going to be multiplying. So 9, remember drawing this, times 0 is 0. After I do that, oh no, why didn't that happen? Why didn't that go? Ooh. We'll make it work. So we multiplied. I'm just gonna move that right there. Then, there we go. We're going to subtract. After we subtract, we're going to bring the next number down. And then we're going to repeat all the steps until we can't go anymore. So let's do that. We were at subtracting. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now I have to bring down my 8s. And I know I showed a lot of you this trick that when you're done and you brought the number down, to make another division bracket and put your 9 right outside. Because now we have how close can 9 get to 73 or 78. I just gave you, I don't know what I was thinking. So if we're doing our 9s facts, some of you might be putting your fingers up and saying, how close can I get to 78? And you know that that is 8 times. So I'm going to put my 8 up here. And I'm going to put my 72, because 9 times 8 is 72. And then I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. And now I'm bringing down that next number again, which is a 9 in this case. So then I'm going to make another division bracket with my 9. So remember what I'm dividing. How close can 9 get to 69? Well, that would be 7 times, which is 63. I'm going to subtract. 9 minus 3 is 6. So I have a remainder of 6. Now, if you remember, you could have also, I'm going to do it above in a different color, put a decimal in, added a 0, and kept bringing your numbers down. Now I have how close can 9 get to 60? Well, I know that 9 times 7 was 63, so it's got to be less than that. It's probably going to be 6, 6, which is 54. Subtract. Can't take 0 from 4, so this turns into a 5. This would be a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Add another 0. And what did I tell you what happens when we realize it's repeating? We just stop and we just put a line above it so it's repeating. So for remainders, you could do either one. If you're more comfortable with just finding a remainder right now because there's no one there to help or someone that's with you does not know how, that's fine. If you're good with long division and you can start adding in those decimals like we did this year, That's great. Either way is fine with me right now. I hope this helped a little bit more. If not, you can always email me at my email. I have it on my phone, so right when you guys send it to me, it pops up like a text message. So I'm able to respond to you pretty fast. So if you need help, just let me know and we can set something up, or I can try to find something else to help you. All right? Have a great day, fifth graders. I miss you.